Yes! Did I get you?
I don't know if I jumped or not, but yeah, I was like, whoa.
So guys and gals, hello, welcome to my channel and my vlog. Today I have something very special, very special. So this might sound kind of silly, but if you've watched any of my other vlogs, you know that I like the Honda Grom. I think it's a very interesting bike. I've never sat on one, never ridden one. I've only seen them a handful of times, but for some reason, I think it's like the inner like 8-year-old inside of me that like just is fascinated by these bikes, and like for some odd reason, even though I had this, you know, big angry fast Ducati, I just want a Grom, like really bad. Today we are meeting up with one of my good buddies, Can't Do Woolies. He is good friends with the people down here at Waynesboro Cycles. I think that's the name of it. I guess he goes out there to hang out a lot and stuff like that, and I was telling him, I said, hey man, like, do you know anybody that has a Grom? Well, he doesn't know a person that has a Grom, but he knows a dealership that has a Grom, and I guess they have one prepped for me today, ready to ride. So I am extremely excited. I'm like a little kid right now in a candy store, so excited to finally get to ride one of these bikes. So you might be asking yourself, well, why don't you just buy one? They're like $3 grand from the dealership. True, very true. However, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, and that's the thing, is I've never been able to find a dealership or somewhere that's like willing to let me take one out and ride it and try it out first. This is a very special opportunity for me, and I'm just gonna ride it, see how I like it, because I think that eventually, when the time's right, I might end up pulling the trigger and getting one. Alright, here we are. Oh, it's such an exciting day. Oh, there's his bike. Let me go park next to his bike. There we go. Perfect. I just ripped my pants. Crap. Well, just destroyed those. Oh, Jesus, hello.
Buddy?
Hello. Oh, we got it. Oh no, look what I just did. No. Putting my kickstand down. These are my favorite jeans, and they're like on their last limb. Yeah, unfortunately. Alright guys, here we go. Honda Grom. Guys here down at Wayne Cycles hooking me up. So this is very exciting, guys. Oh, it's gray too. It's a cute little gray one. Love it. Awesome, sir.
So be careful, tires are a little slick when they're new. Y'all be careful.
I will.
Take time, okay?
Yep, thank you, sir. Greg the man over there hooking me up. Dude, I feel huge. Oh, this is so funny. It's so close. Ah! There we go. Everything is so close. Oh, this is, 6 whole miles. Let's go, Bruce. I'm getting a chubby. Tatiana is very upset with me. I'll be back, Tatiana, don't worry. And I'm not trading you in. Oh, it's so cute. It's so quiet. Again, Wayne Cycle Shop. Or Wayne Cycles. They're located in Waynesboro, Virginia. Oh my God. Oh my my god. Oh, there's the brake. Dude, the controls are so weird. I'm trying to find the brake and I'm like, ah! Alright, give me like 50 feet to like accelerate right now. Okay. Meow! Oh my god. Okay, apparently it's only like 4 speeds. This is probably the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. I am almost maxed out right now. 6,000 RPMs, top gear, 46 miles an hour. So, initial impression of the Grom. It's extremely different than my Ducati. It's extremely different. The controls are different. The first thing I notice is it's very upward. I'm not leaning over a gas tank. This is the gas tank. I'm like almost squishing the gas tank with my legs. I can't even do the speed limit right now. What is happening? Alright guys, we're gonna try to max this out. Go! Go! 55, 57, 58, 59, 60, come on, 60! 60! Oh, it is zero power, and it's absolutely hilarious is what the best part is that I'm not even worried about the fact that I have zero power. I mean, it's frustrating when I'm trying to hit the speed limit and I can't. But that's okay, I'm having fun. I got a big freaking cheesy smile on my face right now. This is hilarious. As some of you may know who do research on these Groms, they are not highway legal because they cannot hit 55 miles an hour, but as you see, they can hit 60. But you really don't want to be running your engine at red line for long periods of time. Obviously, that's not good for it. So, there goes Bruce. He's taking advantage of the fact right now that I'm on a slow bike. Uh-oh. I don't know how to... Oh. Oh my goodness. Well, the brakes are the brakes don't work. I hit the brakes and I kept going. I was like, I'm not making this turn. No way. It does not stop like my bike. That was pretty funny. We went to take the turn. I wasn't expecting the turn, so I didn't have time to kind of slow down. And that was like my first time really hitting the brakes. I wasn't expecting the bike to not stop. Because if you mash the brakes like that on my bike, you'll go flying. Watching this turn, ready? Watch this. Ooh. Oh yeah. Look out. Can you do this? I don't think so. Yeah. Can't do this on my Ducati, and let me tell you that. It would have to do an 87-point turn right there. This thing is a hoot, man. It is the slowest thing I've ever ridden in my entire life.
Like 55.
I had it down to, I said 60.
Yeah.
I had 60. I had it full tuck. Are y'all about that Grom life? Because I'm about that Grom life. Yeah. Oh. Help if I put the kickstand up all the way, I guess. Oh, what a squid. So there's a few ways you can make this thing faster, of course. You can do intake, exhaust, power commander, and sprocket change. So yeah, that'll help a little bit. I knew it would be slow because, I mean, it's only a 125 and it's tiny. But I didn't know it was going to be like this. Look at this cute little blinker. Aww. Alright, so this is going to be full tilt, alright? So here we go. Full tilt. Full tuck. Come on, baby! There she goes. I have achieved the speed limit. take of the Honda Grom. Very upright and a lot more comfortable. It's a little bit stuffed with the legs, but like I'm almost 6 feet tall, and this is where my knees are sitting right now on the side of the tank. It's not it's actually doable. I think if you're like over 6 feet, if you're like 6'3", 6'4", you're not going to be nearly as comfortable. It's just the Grom's not for you. You got to get like a bigger bike, a real bike, because let's face it, this is one of those in the city tool around kind of bike. It's more comfortable. It is extremely slow. Extremely slow. This is a very city-oriented bike, not meant to go over like 40, like comfortably. I'm doing like 45 right now, and this is comfortable. I'm almost full throttle, you know, and sitting upright. And with the wind and the drag and everything, I'm doing about 45, 46. It's very quiet. I'm sure it's great on gas. From what they told me, it's very cheap to insure. This one, sticker price is only $3,400 about. It might be a little bit less, but $3,400 out the door. These things hold their value. If you look at the older styles, they are going for like used, like $3K plus. And it's like, I think the cheapest one I saw was $2,800. I'm like, how? And they have a couple thousand miles on it. They have one in their showroom that I think is a 2014, and it has over 3,000 miles on it, and they want $2,900 for it. So these things hold their value. So if you're looking for a good, you know, just commuter, little city putt, you know, you can bring it up the elevator and stick it in your apartment, you know, just get you to work every day kind of thing in the city. This is your bike. This is the bike for you. Now me, on the other hand, I like back roads, I like dragging knees, I like flying, I like being crazy, so the Ducati is more for me. Now, I love this bike, don't get me wrong. I think this is an awesome bike. It's funny, it's comical, it's fun, but I would have to do a few things to it for me to really want to ride it a lot more than just, you know, the occasional every once in a while, because let me tell you, it's just the powers and the getup is just not there. And it's another thing is that the turning radius is wonderful. The brakes are not. So yeah, the brakes are not. The suspension travel is nice. It's, you know, everything about the suspension wise is great. It's just, it doesn't stop very well. It's very quiet. It's very slow. But you know what? I think I love it. Call me crazy, but I think I love it. We just got finished, well, I just got finished test riding the brand new Honda Grom. Such a drastic difference between these two bikes. Oh my god. Just the clutch feel, the brake feel, the acceleration, the power, the position, everything. The sound. Huge shout out to Wayne Cycles and Greg. Awesome guy. If you ever need to go down there for a bike, make sure you ask for Greg. And that's Wayne Cycles in Waynesboro, Virginia. And of course, thank you to Can't Do Woolies for hooking me up and convincing them to let me get on one of those bikes and take it out for a ride. You know, it's nice that I can stop and go. Look at this beautiful brand new Ninja 400. Very nice looking bike. I love the color. One of the things I was talking about to Greg, the fact that people they'll trade in their, you know, their big, fast, mean bikes for a Honda Grom because they, you know, don't like the big bike in the city, or they want something cheaper, or, you know, whatever it may be. I'm gonna be honest with you, unless I lived in like the city, and I rarely ventured outside of the city, I don't see myself ever trading in my Ducati for one. I could not. I don't think I could do it. I would have to have both of them. I wouldn't be able to own just one or just the other. Don't touch! So while I was riding the Grom, Can't Do Woolies was actually recording it on his camera with his vlog. So I'll make sure to, when he does upload that video, I'll make sure that I put a link in the description. Gonna cut the video here. As always, thank you all so very much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, make sure that you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, all that good stuff, drop it below, like always. You can also message me on Instagram, DakataKid848. Again, thank you all very, very much, and as always, ride safe.